my name is Anya and today I really want to make a coconut cream pie. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload every day, Monday to Friday. In a bowl with 2.5 cups of flour, add in 2 tablespoons of sugar and a pinch of salt. Mix until well combined. Add in 280 grams of cubed butter. Rub the mixture between your hands until the mixture resembles breadcrumbs. Add in 6 tablespoons of cold water and mix until a dough forms. Wrap the dough up in cling film and place in the fridge for about 30 minutes to firm up. Roll the dough out and place it into a pie dish. Cut off the excess and dock the dough. Place a piece of parchment paper over the pie and fill with pie weights. Weights, I use lentils, but you can use beans or actual pie weights. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Remove the parchment paper as well as the pie weights and bake for further 5 minutes. Allow the pie crust to cool completely. In a bowl with 1 egg and 4 egg yolks, add in a 1/3 cup of cornstarch and mix until well combined. In a pot over medium heat, add in 1 cup of cream, 1 cup of milk, 1 tin unsweetened coconut milk, and 3/4 cup of sugar. Mix until the sugar has dissolved. Slowly add the hot coconut milk to the egg yolks. Then add in the egg mixture to the coconut milk mixture and mix until well combined. Place back over the stove and continue whisking until a thick mixture forms. Pour your coconut milk mixture over your cooled pie crust. Wrap in cling film and place in the fridge for 4 hours. In a bowl, whisk 1.5 cups of cream, add in a 1/4 cup of icing sugar, add in 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and continue whisking until stiff peaks form. Spread this cream topping on top of the coconut pie. And add some toasted coconut on top. Enjoy a homemade coconut cream pie.